digital vlog ngayon. Nanonood ko yung video about LUB NEEJ NYOB MESKA. Sorry.
I cover my eyes. Bây giờ cái thì cô chỉ sợ cái này bỏ có mua nè, cô có mong kinh kinh. Bây giờ cô brother birthday nè. So yeah. Bye.
Good morning.
Morning.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How old are you now?
I'm 10.
10? 10?
No, I'm 13.
13?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Có hẹn nó chỉ có tiền luôn bé chứ còn mòn nó chứ còn mòn không trong đi chả á
Hmong colorful. Mỏ
gì
I don't know how you say rainbow in Hmong. Mỏ. I don't know.
rainbow để ra
Mỏ ra. Ra is dragon.
tụi ra nè lỡ tới hai ra sợ chị tứ hơn lên tới thế này rainbow chị rainbow á khu cha nó chị teo rainbow á
That's not good. Cứ arrow nè.
có cứ arrow á
Yeah.
có
That's my hand.
chị tao à
No, that's not. But that text. Đó từ nhớ English. Cú. That's not good. Cứ nè.
chị don't ná lông
Một bacon. Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, cái xuống nát tiền. Bây giờ mong cái chuyện gì luôn nát tiền. There. Do you think that is for kupong? Lúng lông nữa. No.
那个小辣子或者小卷，
Trống lông kupong. Chắc mà hay có thứ hả? I think.
That's not yet. Chị chân đó.
No, I got your chicken. I could do that too. Don't say that, man. I'm not that dumb. No, it's not though.
Chị có không đó?
No.
Chị chụp không?
Let me
Chị chụp không?
Tôi coi cái chụp piece như vậy à? No, those are piece only. Liar. No.
Chưa có bỏ.
Or you could put, you can date tokay. Date tokay. Oh, I know that one.
this is my birthday this
Yeah, it is the. I was right. It is the. These are for the kupong. Yeah, see? I'm just not sure because it's so like light.
Có tủ, ai tủ nó kia tôi nhìn. Thì nó có mà đi à. Đi rồi.
Thanks. Nah, xong nè. Now you have to take kupong.
yeah
So if they get that, you know, thing gone, then they change.
Yeah, because it's like you don't have balls anymore.
I like her, that's my girlfriend. White girl?
Wow.
She died. I want to be
Every time she's crying.
I'll be a Maria.
Yeah, all black. Green.
Is there
behind
more
you.
than
Wait a minute. I think it's.
Yeah.
You know, just see it didn't move. When she turned around, he got shot. That's it.
Look at that.
Here.
He picked out shore. Look.
Ooh.
Right.
Yeah, don't say
What?
that.
I don't feel sad.
I don't know.
I'll pick my mom.
Kimberly, John just so hot.
Like a random.
I'll pay you don't worry.
I think a random.
Well, earlier you just said you want sure egg roll.
Take a picture of that.
Yeah, I am.
I know what you're talking about.
No,
I didn't do nothing. I'm saying that. So Lou rap behind her. That's it.
Happy birthday, dear old man. Happy birthday to you. Make it wait.
I always give me.
No. Don't say it.
Just say in your mind.
Say your mind.
I don't know.
We finished it.
That's all, yeah.
I can't get up. What is this?
Whoa,
Because,
get it, look at it.
oh my god.
What is? Oh my god.
Wow.
Well, can I play this game?
Oh,
we still got other stuff in here.
cool.
So cute.
No. Oh wait, hold on. No. Oh, Cody, you have 2 more stuff in here. Okay, just.
Cody, why you act so stuck? Cody? Just get it.
I'm gonna eat that.
Kimberly?
What?
What?
For Kimberly?
That's my favorite.
Oh, okay. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Where is your gift?
I want to be last because
Dad, look how you
I'm
chop.
his favorite. Okay?
Who's
You
that?
like this little box?
Huh?
You like it? Open it.
What is
How you
that?
open it?
You don't like it? To open it. Nah.
Is it a picture of an old
Open
man?
it.
Don't. I swear this is explosion.
Cody,
Yeah, it's more like
Pull.
the Chinese kung fu, remember?
Oh!
Yeah, I could buy it with the train then, right?
I think it's a fake.
Oh, don't ask me.
Hey, oh my god.
You can buy a train.
It's better if you put $20.
It's gonna rip.
How many are there?
Wow!
Who did that before? Mom or dad?
Cody,
Hey, don't steal it.
Steal it. Yeah, we'll split half and half.
Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Wait, how do you take off?
Oh hell yeah, it's hella hard. You guys put it in the freezer? Oh, you guys did put it in the freezer. You guys hear that cracking? Yeah. That frozen? Bruh. You stuck it in the freezer?
How much? That means the case is
Huh? Yeah, I did, but Nick says
I want
that
that.
he'll give it to you later.
You don't need it. I'm keeping it.
Hey, I need it. So they use me on
We
Amazon.
bought it together. It's from me and Nick.
Oh yeah?
this is my cake.
14 years old is not freshman.
You don't want chips, Shaw?
Sing.
Is it good?
Yeah. Oh, I thought you were
Jana
talking.
skip, no more Jana.
Andy, Jay, is it good?
Mm.
Oh man, is it good?
Yeah.
So what I mean by that is like there will be 4 people up here, okay, and 4 people down here, but only 3 of you guys will get touched. So it'll be harder on you guys to pick.
So what about the person in the fourth one?
Then they will not touch.
Then
So
they're lucky, they
the
get to
fourth-
stay
The
there.
4th person will have to communicate like, okay, you mean okay, then you touch.
Okay, understandable.
Okay? Yes. You get it?
So it's 4 and 4, but only 3 of them.
Okay. Nick, cool. We want to Okay, close your eyes.
This is how I do this school. Let me see your. Wait, how do I do this?
Kimberly, put your head down.
I know.
No, you have to put your head down.
Put your head down.
That's the original game.
Okay.
I'm fat. I can't do this.
Okay.
I can't breathe.
Okay, Sean.
Who's touching me?
All right.
Stand up or sit down?
I guess you can stand up if you want. Yeah, that's fucked up. All right.
You're so mean.
I knew it. Okay, let's see.
Cody, you wanna go first,
Oh my
Cody?
god.
Who is it?
Jay, I'm sorry.
How do you know it? I told you to move.
Okay, you know I know because I hear like ring. I think it's Jocelyn or Sean because I hear like something like noisy ring. Oh, like that. I think
All
it's Jocelyn or
right,
Sean.
Jenna.
No. Sorry.
Kimberly.
Jocelyn.
No.
Sorry, Sean. Sean. Okay. Wake up, please.
Talking over there.
Stand up.
I don't know.
Oh, I thought you guys were talking over
Stand up. Is it? Karma's up. Nah.
I was like, what?
Oh, this is hard.
Okay. Sean, you wanna go first?
Joss?
What is this?
Jerry?
This guy? The old man?
Cody?
Nope.
Nope.
What?
Jenna?
You?
Yeah, that's me again.
Yeah? Oh shit!
Okay, whoever got picked, stand up, please.
Oh!
Get me again.
No one loves you.
Okay. Can I show them?
I was just messing around.
Are you sure? No, we sure? I don't know if I was touching this or someone touched me. Your baby goes. Okay.
Oh, my stomach.
Here we go. They go. Who do you think chose you?
Can you zoom in? Can you zoom in?
Cody.
Why are you thinking B? Hi, joking.
Cody.
Stop it. Close your eyeballs.
Marshmallow song, baby.
Stop it. Close your eyeballs. Stop it. Close your eyeballs. Stop it.
Kimberly, close your...
Stop it. Close your eyeballs. Stop.
Yeah, I haven't been up there yet, too.
Me too.
I haven't been up there.
Bro, who's on my shoulder?
Me?
It was me right here. Oh!
Good.
My knuckle broke. My camera broke.这文气面。
Hello?
I did. Okay.
Thank you.
Yay! Heads up, 7 up.
I think I know who's you.
KO, Andy.
You think you know who tied you?
Because
Okay, go. Fish it on here. Okay. You need to go in and you need to go in, right? So I'll take the bullet first, okay? I felt a cold hand, a small hand touch me. I'm leaning towards Annie or Jenna more. I don't know who. But I'm gonna go for I joined in.
no.
Okay. So Annie must pick between one of you guys, unless he's out, okay?
I think I know who it is.
Okay.
You know what? Because when I was doing it, I kind of feel something a little bit big on me.
Andy?
Yeah.
Alright, go. You. Then 3 people, dude.
What? Why? Yeah. I know.
Jenna, you took me off. Oh my god.
I feel big thing on me.
How you guys discuss?
You just discussed who's not going.
Okay. Who?
Put it on your hand. No, touch
Who? Okay. Since I knew I will touch. Oh shit.
Lie. She's not like that.
Oh, 今天是北洛的姐 Andy. Yeah.
Okay.
Hi Andy.
So, ko lagi kasi ko po pay ah.
Okay,
Now me too.
I think it's Kimberly.
Ma, I disguised her.
Where you from?
You know why? I heard the shoes. That's why I was looking down, like, man.
Wow, you cheater! You cheater!
I heard the shoes.
Any idea?
Okay.
For me, S-H-U-A.
Jerry.
Oh wait, no.
No?
Mine should be Jerry then. Jerry. No? Someone touched me. 这个个股啊 pick the wrong person 了，你在哪搞股？我就冇股出实的。
Oh, that's bad. She got it.
I know, Kimmy just got it. Got the horse. Oh
my god!
Yeah.
Where's the little score?
Thank Jenna. Happy birthday.
Jenna, take this. Okay, egg and sauces. Okay.
Bye, Jerry. Bye, Jerry. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye. Take that home, okay? We go drink on Monday.
Bye, I'm gonna go.
Yeah, too. Why does somebody party in
Because I
Oh my goodness. Jerry, you too.
What happened? You guys are so dramatic. What happened? Is it gonna pop? No. Gary. Bye. Bye. Where you park at? Wow, I got park the toilet. Bye. Bye. Have a safe flight, okay? Look around.
Nó thì cứ luôn ninh nhớ chứ chơi mi cái nó thì mẹ yêu chứ chơi mẹ lắm mẹ yêu chứ chơi mi cái nó thì cứ luôn ninh trong nó sẽ yeah. That's all for today. Lên nó là xinh nữa thì mà đi xin next time. Bye. Good night.